What's good, everyone? July 7th trade recap. I ended up taking a long position today. So let's break down why I took this trade. So I'm going to start off on the 4-hour time frame here. So looking at the 4-hour, obviously we created all-time highs last week, and then we were holding this bullish 4-hour gap right here. So going into New York session open, we were holding this bullish 4-hour gap. So I wanted to see, obviously, us continue to hold this gap and move further to the upside. And then going down into the 15-minute time frame off open, we see price made a move to the downside, and we were holding this bullish 15-minute gap as well off of this candle off of New York session open. And then we'll go on the 1-minute time frame, and we see here, this is where New York session opened. We made a move to the downside. We swept out these London lows right here. These were also relative equal lows. So came down, swept out those lows, and made a good reaction back to the upside. We had good momentum through this 1-minute gap. This was also a 2-minute bearish gap that we inversed. So we inversed on the 1-minute and the 2-minute time frame. So we had our liquidity sweep here. We were also delivering out of a bullish fair value gap. Good reaction back to the upside. I entered long right here, and I was planning to move my stop loss to break even at this high right here, and then my take profit would have been this 1-hour high up here. So unfortunately, I did get wicked out on this trade. Obviously, I will put my stop loss directly below the inverse that I enter off of, and this trade was invalidated because we did have a candle closure back below this 1-minute inverse. So got wicked out here, and then price did end up coming back up and hitting my break-even point. So is what it is. This was a very, very good setup. All of my confluences aligned here, especially with us being super bullish on the higher time frames. And then we just got super choppy through here, and then going into the PM session, we did make a move to the downside here and then came back up a little bit. But yeah, so that was my trade for the day here. If you guys are enjoying these videos, let me know in the comments. If you guys need help with anything trading wise, let me know, and I will be on here tomorrow for another recap.